Bro, what the? Hey, what the? Bro, I know. Bro, this shit crazy. What the fuck? Ain't nobody here but me. Bro, noise coming from down there. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared as hell. Okay, so y'all see what just happened in the video, right? I don't know what the fuck was going on with that basement, but I made the smart decision to leave him, and I ain't been back to that bitch since. You know, black people, when we see or hear some shit that don't sound right, we're not going to investigate. I don't know what's going on. I think the house about to get sold.